Today we're going to run through the wiring and the bench calibration of a Perfect Fit Elite series. You can start anywhere, but we're just going to hook up the harnesses. We're going to start with the orange harness that's going to go to the water valve. It'll only connect one way, and you're going to push it in until you hear a click. Then you can go ahead and plug it into the ECU. Then we're going to go to the blue harness, plug it into the blue motor until you hear it click, and then plug it into the blue on the ECU, and leaving the yellow harness. Plug the yellow harness into till you hear it click, and into the ECU assembly. So we're going to take the white connector, plug it into the blower motor. It'll only go one way. If you try to go the other way, it just won't let you go. So it's obvious which way it goes. And plug it in until you hear it click. Then take your blue thermostat wires and you'll hook those up to the thermostat. And this red harness will plug into the ECU assembly. The DER's got a green harness and it's going to go to the green on the ECU and the smart controls. Next we're going to take the brown fan switch connector, and it also will only go on one way. You're going to plug it on, and when this plug is fully seated, you'll barely see any of the male spades there. And what we're going to do is we're going to start the mode position in the floor and the temperature in the cold with the fan switch off, of course. We're going to insert the calibration key. The LED needs to be facing towards the outside of the ECU. We're going to start by turning the fan switch on medium, and we're going to watch the LED. You saw the light come on and go off. It's waiting on us, so we're going to take the mode, move it from floor to dash. It's waiting on us, the temperature from cold to hot. And at the end of calibration, the LED light will turn off. At that time, you turn your fan switch off. You can pull your calibration key out and store it in a safe place, and then you can function test the system. Turn the fan switch on, and it's in the floor position, so you should have air coming out this vent here, which it is. You move it to defrost, the door will move and you'll have air out to the defrost. Move it to dash, and you'll have air out the front outlets there for the dash vents. And the same with the water valve. And this completes your calibration of the ECU.